When it comes to enhancing your home's energy efficiency, many homeowners focus on upgrading insulation, replacing windows, or adjusting thermostats. However, one often overlooked but highly effective solution is door installation. In Jennings, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically throughout the year, ensuring your doors are properly installed and energy efficient is essential for keeping your home comfortable and your energy bills in check. Why your doors matter for energy efficiency. Doors are more than just entry points to your home. They are a critical part of your home's overall energy system. Older, worn-out doors or improperly installed ones can allow air to escape, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Whether it's the harsh winter winds or the scorching summer heat, doors are often a primary culprit in energy loss. If your doors are drafty, cracked, or poorly sealed, they can significantly impact the efficiency of your HVAC system, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. In fact, experts estimate that up to 10% of a home's energy can be lost through inefficient doors. By upgrading your doors, you can drastically reduce heat transfer, maintain better indoor temperatures, and ultimately save on energy costs. Benefits of professional door installation in Jennings. Investing in professional door installation in Jennings can provide numerous advantages when it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency. Better insulation and temperature regulation. One of the key benefits of replacing old doors with new, energy-efficient ones is better insulation. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials that provide superior insulation compared to older models. For example, fiberglass, steel, and insulated wood doors all offer excellent thermal performance. These materials help prevent heat from escaping in the winter and keep the indoor air cool in the summer. A well-insulated door also works in tandem with your home's HVAC system to regulate the internal temperature. With proper insulation, your air conditioning and heating systems won't have to work overtime, leading to less energy consumption and reduced wear and tear on your equipment. Sealing gaps and drafts. Over time, doors can develop gaps and cracks that allow air to leak in and out of your home. These gaps are often hard to detect, but they can have a huge impact on your energy efficiency. A properly installed door will ensure that there are no air leaks, keeping your home's interior temperature stable and comfortable. Additionally, weather stripping and door sweeps are often included with new installations, further sealing any potential gaps around the door frame. These small but important details play a big role in preventing drafts, which can drastically reduce your heating and cooling costs. Enhanced durability and longevity. New, energy-efficient doors are built to last, offering improved durability compared to older, outdated models. A sturdy, well-installed door is less likely to warp, crack, or allow air leaks, providing consistent energy savings for years to come. Investing in a high-quality door now can prevent the need for frequent replacements or repairs, which will save you both time and money in the long run. Improved home comfort. An energy-efficient door doesn't just lower your energy bills, it also improves your comfort level at home. When your doors are properly installed and insulated, you can enjoy a more consistent temperature throughout your living space. You'll notice fewer cold spots in the winter and a more comfortable environment in the summer. Plus, with less strain on your HVAC system, your home will feel more comfortable year-round without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, energy-efficient door installation is a great way to boost your home's appeal and value. Many homebuyers are looking for energy-efficient features that can save them money on utilities. By installing modern, energy-efficient doors, you not only make your home more comfortable and eco-friendly but also increase its marketability. Conclusion. Door installation in Jennings is a smart investment that can lead to significant energy savings, increased comfort, and long-term benefits for your home. Whether you're looking to replace an outdated door, improve insulation, or simply enhance your home's overall energy performance, upgrading your doors is one of the most effective steps you can take. With professional installation, you'll not only reduce your energy bills but also enjoy a more comfortable, durable, and valuable living space. Take the time to explore your door options and make your home more energy efficient today.